Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah. I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday. If this still looks a little red, it's because I have sensitive skin and it just kind of rubbed my upper lip, so cool, great. But that's not the focus of this video anyway. I actually show you how to create this glam eyeshadow look, and I really love how it turned out. I used the Dose of Colors Friendcation palette. Once again, I've already done a video using this palette, but with a different look, obviously. This has been my go-to palette, and I really love this, so I definitely wanted to incorporate another makeup tutorial using it. As I mentioned, I really focus on the eyes and how you can create this look, so if you want to see how I did that, make sure you keep on watching. But really quick, this is my 50-second video. Like, whenever I post this, this is the 50-second video that I have posted, and that just seems like very surprising. Like 52 videos, that's a lot of videos. I knew I wanted to do YouTube for a while, like it wasn't just a short-term thing, but I mean, I feel like that's an accomplishment, right? 52 videos. Once again, we are going to start with priming your eyes with the Smashbox 24-Hour Shadow Primer, of course. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to come up with a glam eyeshadow look using this Dose of Colors Friendcation palette. It's a Dose of Colors and Desi and Katie collaboration, and this has been like my go-to palette. It is so pretty. I love the shades. You might see these and not think that they're like super neutral or super wearable. As you can see, there's definitely some neutral options that you can create a neutral eyeshadow look, but there's also some fun colors over here, and I really like these maroon colors that they also included, so I'm very excited about this tutorial. But I forgot my mirror, so be right back. Much better. Now I can actually start to have my mirror. So I'm going to start with this middle shade right here, which is the shade Necessary. As my transition shade, I'm going to be using this Luxie 243 brush to apply that with. I have already used this palette in a New Year's Eve makeup tutorial, and that is also a glam look. But with all that being said, I did use this in my New Year's Eve glam makeup tutorial, which I will make sure I leave linked down in the description box. So next I'm gonna take this green shade right here, and I'm gonna apply that all over I'm just gonna take my ring finger to apply that green shade right here. So I'm gonna try to not get that on the crease and just really focus on the lid, and then I'm not gonna apply it in the very inner corner right here because I wanna apply a gold color there. And I like this because it's a glam look, but it's also very different than what I normally wear. Like, I normally would not wear a green eyeshadow like this. And I'm going to use the E34, yes, the E34 to apply that with. And why I apply the glitter shade before this is because if that glitter does kind of get up on my crease, I just kind of cover it up with this color right here. Now I'm just going to take my ring finger and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Just a Kiss, and I'm going to apply that on my inner corner area. I think that this would be better if you had like a glitter glue, or I haven't tried it with that yet because I just don't personally have anything like that, because this is a very loose glittery eyeshadow. If you don't like glitter on your eyes, this would probably not be the look for you if you can't already tell. So yeah, I had to get up to get some setting spray. So I actually have my micellar water with me now because that gold glitter literally gets everywhere, so kind of want to minimize that. Then I'm going to lightly blend the colors up here together with this E40 brush. It's blended pretty well already. And then I did not bring an eyeshadow brush in here to apply my highlight color with, which I normally do, but I'm just gonna take this shade right here, Basic. Once again, taking my ring finger and apply that as my highlight on my brow bone. It's a glam look. It doesn't mean that it has to be hard. I mean, it does take practice with being precise and things like that, but I don't think it's difficult with like all of the different colors or anything like that. I do really like how these colors look together. So I brought that setting spray in earlier because I meant to set my eyeshadow before doing my face makeup, but here we are. Also, I didn't include the face makeup portion in this video just because I did just do a get ready with me and I use most of the same products. So I just really wanted to focus on the eyes in this video. But yeah, anyway, so since we are going out of order, I already have mascara on my top lash line, but I'm going to, before I apply mascara on my lower lash line, I'm going to apply an eyeshadow, and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is this dark brown, and apply that to my lower lash line with this shader brush. This is actually really hard to, can you still see what I'm doing? Yes. A little smokier than when I was going for a Cosmetic Superhero mascara. For lips, I'm gonna do a neutral look today because this is kind of, you know, glam makeup, and I really wanted to use this Urban Decay 24/7 lip liner in the shade 1993. I really like this shade. It's a very good neutral brown, and then I'm going to be using this nude color, which I discovered in my makeup lipstick declutter video. So here I am using this. I haven't used that lipstick in a very long time. Once again, I'm going to line my lips first, and then I'm gonna fill them in. Like, I just think that that's a great color. And now I'm gonna go over top of that with this lipstick. It's in the shade Tawny, and it's from the brand Number 7. And now I'm gonna set my face. I'm just doing things out of order today. So that completes today's makeup look. Very easy and quick. Like I said, I really wanted to focus on the eyes. I hope you guys got some inspiration. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.